Hello and thank you for joining me. I'm Heather Forgan of stampwithnellie.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK. Today I'm taking part in the Stamping Around the World video hop, so there will be links to everyone else taking part in the description for this video. Please do check them out. Our theme for this month is travel, and I have to admit that it had me stumped for a while until I decided to have a look at some of my ephemera packs, and the Something for Everything ephemera pack genuinely does have something for every occasion. And I also love the Saying Something ephemera pack because it has some wonderful sentiments in there. And I had already, well, I thought I'd recorded this video already. I hadn't. I'd pressed the start button twice, so it started and stopped. So this was the card that I made using my ephemera. Got some Azure Afternoon card, some balmy blue, this lovely little sailboat with the same colours on it, sunshine with a little bit of Wink of Stella, don't know if you can see that, and this smooth sailing and sunny skies. Now I do have some sort of white tops to the waves on there and some clouds as well. So I thought, right, okay, I'll just start again. However, the ephemera pack does have two of everything, but I've already used the sunshine. So take two will be slightly different with a rainbow instead. Okay, so I just got a basic white thick card base and a layer of balmy blue that I will do some stamping. It's very subtle, little fluffy white clouds on there. And I have already, this is the other half of the bit that I tore. So I embossed this Azure Afternoon card using the Soft Waves 3D folder. And as you can see, I've torn one edge, but this is too big, so I need to tear it again. Okay, so it is just simply, and I wanted it to be fairly straight. I mean, obviously it's not dead straight, but my sentiment does say smooth sailing, so I didn't want to have huge big waves on there. So got that. Yep, happy with that. And this bit will go in the bin, unfortunately. Don't think I can come up with something else to use that. So I've used our white craft ink pad to stamp a few little fluffy clouds. So I'll just do that again on here. And we'll go with a little bit on the side there, like that. Okay, now I also used this same ink pad to add little white foamy bits to my C using just a clear block. Now this is a B block. You choose whichever size you prefer. I just think this is a nice size to handle. You could add your ink with a blending brush or sponge daubers, but I kind of felt that that would probably, because I didn't try it, give too much of a smoothness and uniformity. So that's why I've gone rogue with a clear block and just added a little bit of that ink on there. Okay, so we are ready to assemble card 2. So I'm just going to glue on the back of this, but because it is embossed, I do want to make sure I've got plenty of glue on this. So as I mentioned at the beginning, this is part of a video hop, and I, for one, am looking forward to seeing the other travel inspired creations. So please do click on the description or more button on this video and check out the other people taking part in this international video hop. So we're all Stampin' Up demonstrators, but from around the world. So just layering that up. Wet glue is my friend. Let's move it around. Now this white ink does take longer to dry than normal ink, so you might get some on your fingers if you're not as patient as perhaps we should be. I'm going to put that there so that we've got those little clouds peeking out there. And yeah, I think I'll go there this time. But that's the great thing about this ephemera, is that you can just play about with pieces until you're happy with where everything is. I'm going to pop it up a little bit so the sail's up there. And I did use Wink of Stella on the sun. I think I will use it on my rainbow as well. So I'll do the bottom arch. Just love adding a little bit of sparkle, and the top one, and I'll leave the middle so you can see the difference. Love that this adds a little bit of sparkle but does not, it's not like glitter, so you don't get messy with it at all. Right, so could pop this up with dimensionals, but I want to keep this nice and flat for posting. And to keep it pretty simple as well. Okay, and middle. Yeah, let's go there. Middle of my rainbow. And there we have 2 travel themed cards using the Stampin' Up Something for Everything ephemera pack, and that cute little cloud is from the Celebration Pick a Season stamp set. Remember to check out everyone else taking part in the video hop rather, and if you're new to my channel, please do click on that subscribe button, click the bell and get notification the next time I upload a video. Until then, please do take care. Bye bye.